Alright, let's go see what the small box is. Didn't really have anything in there. Did they ship me a box of air again? I hate it when they do that. Still don't know what it is. I still don't know what it is. I still don't know what it is. It's in a bag. Oh, I know what it is now. Oh, linkert venturi. Very valuable. Appears to be a new one. Yes, it is a new one. NOS, genuine Harley. Linkert bombsite venturi. They use these on KHs, flathead bikes. They also used them on the race bikes, the KRs. So they had the dual venturi in there to pick up the low speed atomization when you had a big massive ass cams in your bike and ports are way too big. So, otherwise known as a restrictor to make it run shittier. Take that damn thing out, it flows more air. So, yeah, it looks pretty good. Where's the linkert around here? I got a linkert around here I'm supposed to be rebuilding. That's a project for a couple more days from now. Let's see, where's the body at? Yeah, good job. I hid it from myself. It's around here somewhere. So this is a regular venturi. See it straight through. These are new colony reproductions. So this is the biggest one they make. This is what you put on your race bikes. It's the same size. Goes in the same carbonator hole. But you can see the difference in flow between the two. That's what the business end is, this end here. That's the input side. So you can see how the hole is bigger on this one than this one before you put the bombsite in the middle of it. So this also takes a special spray nozzle because that's to be up tall enough up to hit it. So there you go. That's worth a lot of money. I never use them though, they're too small, but they're good for collectors. There you go. So this is your mid 50s and later 50s KRs. So there you go. That's what they look like. There, we're back. I'm looking over for that carburetor. It's right in front of me. It's sitting right there. Alright, so this is what a linkert carburetor looks like. This particular one's off of a knucklehead. It's a standard 4-bolt linkert, 1.25 inch. I mean, it's an 1.5 inch carburetor. They're all the same, more or less. It says right there, it's the 1.5 inch. So this is what the stock venturi looks like inside of these things. They're assembled. And this thing is all frozen up. Probably why it's here to be rebuilt. Gasoline was sitting in that thing for a long time. That is not full throttle. That's called a misadjustment there. Yeah, it runs better at 3/4 throttle. I got a lot left. Yeah, that's because it was already wide open. It went slower. So there's your venturi. Look how small that thing is in there. So anyway, these things go right inside of these things like that. And that's what your bombsite does for you. I'll put that big one in there, make it flow a lot better. Yeah, look how small that thing is in there. That thing's not even an inch in big, not even an inch in size in there. Pygmy. So anyway, there's what those bombsite venturis look like. This is the zinc pot metal, probably pot metal. Anyway, not super high quality. The repro ones are made out of brass now. The original racing ones are actually made out of steel and brass and steel. That material, they had a little, instead of these casting fins like this, they had actually this piece of little welding rod sticking up, the rods that held them together. Real frail. That's what the original race ones were at. These are the production ones here. And so these are the ones that are used on the KHs. So there you go. That's what they look like.